Okay, sabay-sabay po muna natin saksiyan ang ribbon cutting ceremony dito po sa Mabuhay City Elementary School covered floor sa pagbilang po muna ng 5. Sabay-sabay po gugupitin at bubuksan covered floor in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Isang pasigabong palakpak. And we bless the covered floor and the building. We have Reverend Father Calvin Mark Banay of the Immaculate Conception Academy.